Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided that I was gonna wake up and film a vlog. It's something that I've been wanting to do for a while, but for one reason or another I was always too self-conscious of what I might say or about like sharing absolutely everything, but I'm gonna do it. It's something I've been wanting to do, so I'm gonna do it, and I hope you guys like it. So today I just woke up a few minutes ago. I'm gonna head to the gym and vlog some workouts in there, and then we'll go from there. So tired. I'm gonna take a couple minutes to catch my breath here. You guys probably can't hear me. They're having a class here and it's really loud. But I'm gonna go in the locker room, get all cleaned up, and then continue with the day. So this week I had given myself a goal to do 30 minutes of cardio every single day, and so far it's been going good. Today I only did 15 minutes because it was my leg day and I didn't want to take away from my leg day, but I did do it 2 days in a row. Oh, I hope this is not messing with my sound. I did do it 2 days in a row, and then, well, basically 3 with today, and I'm feeling so good. And the reason why I had given myself that goal to do the cardio is because I have been eating anything and everything that comes in front of me, and I didn't work out for a week. And believe it or not, for those of you that say I shouldn't work out because I'm skinny, I start to fluff up if I don't eat healthy and if I don't work out. Maybe I'll insert some pictures here so you can see what I'm talking about. Maybe not. But yeah, just because someone is skinny doesn't mean they don't have to work out. I get a lot of people who tell me like, why do you work out? You're already skinny. You don't need to work out. I'm skinny because I work out so much. I don't have the skinny gene in my family, so if I don't work out, again, I begin to fluff up. And I'm not gonna wait until I'm overweight to do something about it. I'd rather just take care of it now and prevent myself from getting there. You know what I mean? So that's why I work out so much. With that being said, let's go home because I'm really hungry. Really proud of how eventful I'm being today. Maybe I got inspired because I'm vlogging and I figured I had to make it interesting, but I actually decided to film a video since I really wasn't doing anything. I was supposed to go out to lunch with Horeb and Prince, but Horeb got called into work last minute, so now I'm on my own for the rest of the day, and so I decided that I'm gonna film a video. So I'm giving you guys the behind the scenes. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can kind of see my setup here. Have my makeup that I'm using. You can't forget the fix. Mirror. Have my monitor back there. Have my camera there and my light there. And yeah, this is basically the behind the scenes. And of course I have my backdrop over here. Let's see. Backdrop. I'm filming a video. I really don't know which one's gonna go up first, if it's gonna be the one I'm filming or the one I'm filming or the vlog. I'm gonna finish this up and I'm probably just gonna take Prince out to the dog park. We just arrived, but there's only like big dogs, like huge dogs, and I don't know if I want Prince to be in there with those dogs. Oh my god. What do you think, Prince? I mean, he's super excited to get off, but I'm a little, aw, baby. Okay, fine. We're gonna go. You ready? Let's go.